Brethren. As that basket goes in for John Escol, the big man for CDO Palmes Farm. Here's Dokit. 2 wins today ay itong CDO as they prepare to rest and get as much as rest as possible, much breather as we are only having a short tournament. 6 days lamang itong battle for the champions. And yun nga ang naglalaro for the first 2 days I should say, ay yung mga first runners up natin. So sa Wednesday and sa Thursday, it will be the battle of the champions, the winners of their provincial leg. 4-2 is the score as Laguna and the company CDO Palmes Farm again successful behind the brilliance of Wave Nuez and AJ Kibla. Those 2 men really took over. Kibla channeling his inner Nikola Jokic. Meanwhile, Nuez is like a star being born right in front of us. As you see on your screen, that was Nuez looking to feed his big man there. Out of bounds na itong si Kibla on that last one. 4-2 ang ating coverage dito. One hand jumper didn't go in. Escol secures that rebound. Only player who scores so far for CDO. Another read, another hand. 6:18 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Again on my left, overseeing the action, Kit Picazo. Dorian brings the ball here, a big guard for Laguna. Let's see what will he do here. Breaking that defense, and during that pass, merong foul na tawag. Hard cover for anyone who wants to stop Van Dorian breaking into that zone. With 4:45 remaining, looks to recover here and get this possession. Dorian for 3. That is off the mark. Gime, who scored the last 3-pointer for them, di pa nakakakuha ng shot off. MJ with a score. MJ Mangunsan scores on his first 2 points. Jumper that won't fall para sa Laguna after a solid start. 11-2. Only scored 6 points, a 17-6 run. Adong, who scored a 3-pointer earlier to give us a tie. CDO now has a 2-point lead. MJ gets that rebound. Stepping on the baseline. Legaspi scores his first 2 points here. 19 all ang ating total. As finally, after leading majority of the way, nakakuha ng magandang look itong si Legaspi. Timeout is called here. 19 all. Brought to us by Pound Active. By John on that last one. Goes on that drive. Mahatma all the way. Adong securing that rebound. That all-around performance para dito kay Mahatma Adong. John Escol getting that stop as Tower scores another basket for him. Minyoza on that bump. Sends it out. 29 all is the score. 6:57. Tough basket by Mahatma Adong. Here he comes. A tough cover. If itong si Dorian, a big guard, itong si Adong, a very tall one that can really take advantage of those mismatches as they get that steal, looking to go all the way, and they will get the tie. Talking about Laguna as Van Dorian scores on that basket. Mishandled that pass was Escol. Better defense on Adong. Jumper won't fall. Escol with a rebound. Back and forth tayo dito sa ating third quarter. Laguna tsaka CDO knotted at 31. 3 on the way. Heat check time para dito kay Mahatma Adong with 5:53 remaining. Gime, they will look to swing the rock. Jumper won't fall. And it is on the side now of CDO. Sunny Alupani doing a good job protecting that ball. $31 all ang ating score with 5 minutes 18 remaining. Minyoza, bigay dito kay Escol. Taken away, here is Gime. Says, give me that. Gives it on the left side. Lays it up for 2 on that finish. That is Remy Matthew Mora. After that pass by Martin Gime, balik sa Laguna ang kalamangan. Minyoza, stop and pop, too strong. Gets another rebound. Here is Nuez, jumper, good. Taking over once again. Solid contributor itong si Martin Gime as we are 45 seconds remaining into this third quarter, and one. Nuez, what's new? Getting that basket, outstretched arms, athletic display para dito kay Wave Nuez. Wave Nuez getting his rhythms through his jumpers and now getting in for that scoop. And one again, tabla na naman tayo at 43. Gime looking to break this defense down once again. Martin finds a teammate, Legaspi, jumper won't fall. A counter steal, a tap. Gime ejected that time. Mahatma Adong making a stand for that one. 43 all. 15 seconds remaining. Looking to make it work. Minyoza. Di papasok yung kanyang atake. Dorian. Nice pass. Extra one. Basket po ng Laguna. Nuez with a spin. Nuez. What a player Wave Nuez is. Making tough baskets in big moments. Goes for that drive. Didn't go in. Mahatma sends it. Nuez turned away. 47-45. A 3 by Nuez. That is off the mark. Gets that rebound. That was a wild shot. Taken there by Escol. Nuez once again. Wave just sending out shockwaves in this game. Jumper is good. A timely basket para dito kay Hendrix Panganiban. Nuez once again spins, one-hander is good. I am speechless right now. Wave Nuez, for me, is one of the more exciting players so far I have seen today. And he has been making tough shots, clutch shots. (51-47). Fakes, show and go. Legaspi was turned away on that drive. Nakawala. Tatawagan si MJ doon. MJ Pagunsan called for a dribbling violation. 51-47. Nuez, again, a man possessed right now, but a stop. Here is Gimme. Will rescue that possession on that baseline. Merong whistle na itatawag with 6:25 remaining. CDO with a 4-point lead. Dorian and one. Van Dorian again. That time hindi papasok ang kanyang 3-point play. Looks to rescue. Balik ang bola dito sa Laguna. That was a good effort on the side of Dorian. Escol was caught touching it last. With 6 minutes to go in the fourth quarter, CDO, can they hold on for a 2-win day today? Or will Laguna secure their first win? As that basket goes in. Legaspi getting that basket. MJ gives it to AJ and one. AJ Kibla completing that play through harm as he looks to finish this one. 3-point play opportunity. 53-51, make it so. Yun pa din ang ating score. On the run, Legaspi will receive that ball back and will have some free throws. Gets that friendly roll. Legaspi securing that free throw. Rattles the second one in. 53 all ang ating score. Looking to get that lead back. Itong CDO, ball is tapped. Legaspi takes that ball. With 5 minutes, 05 jumper. That time, Legaspi connection. Andre Legaspi getting that ball after that pass by Zet Legaspi. So Zet Legaspi is the lefty. Number 91, number 33, Andre secures that bank shot to go. Mahatma Adong has hit a big three. Nuez, jumper is good. What can't he do? Talking about Wave Nuez. Goes for those drives, jumpers, and now a 3-point shot added. So that 3-point by Nuez was only counted as a 2. Been stepping on the line. It was Nuez on that last play. But regardless, it is still a lead here. Off the mark, Zet. Put back, won't fall. Dorian secures Gimme. Couldn't hit that 3. 1-point lead. 56-55. Nuez attack and scores! Dito sa ating fourth quarter. Wave Nuez looks to add a new highlight game for his young career as he looks to will his team here to victory. Meanwhile, Martin Gimme and company looking to tie. Legaspi, di papasok. Adong on that rebound, looking to scoot this one in. Dorian secures that ball. Here is Gimme all the way. Will a miss. Follow-up is a miss as well. Babawi on the other side. Jumper. Good. Andre Legaspi has hit 2 clutch baskets on the side of Laguna. Nuez nakawala. Panganiban, good defense. $57 all ang ating talaan. Laguna looking to regain the lead back after some big baskets by Andre Legaspi. Gimme thought about that 3, almost losing the ball. Andre to Zet Legaspi. Couldn't get that one. Dorian rejected by AJ Kibla. On the run, once again, Minyoza. Balik ang bola dito sa CDO. A minute 44 remaining. We are looking into one of the best games so far. 10-game schedule, 8th game of the day. They will lose the possession. Talking about CDO. Nice recovery. AJ Kibla for 2. A minute 23. Dorian. Pass was too high for Zet Legaspi. Big moments here. A minute 8 remaining. John Escol has scored another basket, pushing them to a 4-point lead. Gimme 3. In and out on that shot. Would have been a big basket. Cuts the lead to 1 kung naipasok. Mahatma Adong has a 3 in his name. Balik ang bola sa Laguna. $39.3. Ramilo will start the inbound. Van Dorian guarded by Minyoza. A steal, a runaway. Here we go. Nuez for 2. Just for safety. Out is called. 28.3 seconds to go. 2-possession ball game. Laguna in a must-make situation. Legaspi, that is Zet, hasn't scored much in this game. Couldn't get that basket to go in. Gets that rebound was John. Here is Nuez looking for the kill. Turnaround, jumper won't fall. As Minyoza just wasted away the clock. John Escol making that stop. 5.5 seconds to go. CDO goes 2-0. Nuez with another signature game. How can you top your first opening act with big shots in the second?